Look at her. You see it? That girl is a total disgrace to this family. Her mother never had her out of wedlock. Why would she give birth to a bastard for me in this house? Eh?
My brother, what you cannot be? Wait to Obi, calm down. The mistake has been made a long time ago. What you should be thinking about now is how to remedy the situation and not crying over spilled milk.
Look at what remedy? What remedy are you talking about? I said it before, and I will repeat it over and over, that no daughter of mine will raise a bastard in my house.
My brother, wait to Kenobi, wait to see, calm down. But listen, this girl will not take this blame alone, no. You and I will share in taking this blame. Because we as elders sat at home while children mistook vulture for kites. What did we do? Exactly. What did we do?
Exactly my point. I am doing something now. That is why I said Nkiru will not bring that bastard, that thing into this house. Inanuya.
My husband, I greet you. Indeed.
Nana, it's been long I saw you smiling like this. What happened?
I'm smiling and dancing because I have good news for you people.
I thought as much. So what good news?
I'm just coming from the hospital now. Guess what? Nkiru has been delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
A boy?
A very handsome boy for that matter. You need to see him.
I hope she's okay. I mean, the mother.
She's very okay. If you see her, you will not believe that she's the one that just put to bed now. The doctor is already thinking of discharging her later in the day.
Thank you. As we are going, go straight to the hospital. And as soon as the doctor discharges her, take her along with you to your house. Yes. Make sure she doesn't enter this house.
Papa Nkiru, you mean you are still obsessed with that girl after all this?
Why wouldn't I be upset? Let me ask you, how many children did you bear for your father before getting married? I was coming with Nana.
Nana, please, you can go. Thank you for the message. We shall make arrangements to bring them back. Thank you very much.
Look at the person you are interceding for. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Can you see any sense of remorse? Shameless girl.
Brother, what you can be? What will be?
Leave me.
Remember our people said that when you scold a child with the left hand, you comfort the child with the right arm. You have scolded this child enough. This is time for you to comfort her.
Comfort who? Look, comfort who? I have not started scolding her. This is just pampering that I'm doing. Maybe you didn't hear me when I said that I will never, I would rather break my neck than receive this idiot and that Omali into this house, my house.
What is even all this, Papa Nkiru, what is wrong with you? How can you be so wicked to your own daughter like this? If her mother were to be alive, will you do all these things to her? Will you? Where do you want her to take this child to? Where do you want her in this village to take this baby to?
Nana, if you talk to me in that manner again, I will throw away the fact that you are a married woman and give you the discipline you never had from your parents. What stops you from taking her to your husband's house? Or don't you have no animal accommodation?
Can you imagine?
What
am I even worrying myself over for? I've played my own part in Nkiru. If he lies, let him take you inside. If he lies, let him drop you aside. Me, I don't care anymore. I am going.
Go. Go and don't come back.
I will go.
Continue now. Thank you for all.
Don't worry.
God bless you.
I will go.
Bring your pen.
Ebere, this place. Come on, let me see you. Let's see who you and I who own this house.
But wait. Are you claiming this house to be your own? This house? I am claiming it
for you.
Remember, let me tell you, Papa built this house. Papa built this house. Our father built this house. And Nkiru here is Papa's granddaughter. So she has equal right as you do in this house. What's wrong with you?
It's fine, man. He's sleeping.
You have to go back to the house. I know your father acted in anger and wronged you. You have to go back, please. Forgive and forget no matter what. He has been pleading and begging that you should forgive him. Please forgive him no matter what. If not for any other thing, for the sake of that child, please go back to him.
Everybody in this village termed me an evil child because I had an unwanted pregnancy. Nobody would let me into their house. Nobody cared for my newborn baby. Not even my father would let me into his house.
I understand. You have to forget about it and concentrate on how to raise your child. But you have to go back to the house.
Before my dead body would not go back to the house again.
Hey, Nkiru, don't talk like your father. Don't utter words that you will regret in the future.
Who told you I will regret it? I will not regret anything. No. Who told you I cannot raise this boy here? Yes. I'll raise him here.
Mommy, I hope you took the biscuit I kept for you in the cupboard. You didn't? Not to go hungry in school. I'm coming. You forgot the biscuit I wanted to buy for you. If you want to go hungry. Be a good boy, okay?
Mama.
Jisike.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh?
Are you ready to go now?
Yes, so I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Your food is inside.
Okay, Mama.
Now.
Okay.
You're doing well.
Thank you, Mama.
At least we'll have enough firewood for Eke market in the next 2 days.
Of course, Mama.
Kanjana.
This is about you. Mama.
Enam.
Remember to stop by the clinic on your way and buy your drugs. Remember what the doctor said about your health.
I know, but I don't think I will have enough money to buy the drugs. By the time I pay my dues at the Umuada meeting, I'm not sure I'll have up to 100 naira left in my bank.
Mama Ibjakwaho, you can pay the dues later now, but buy the drugs first. Your life is more important to us than anything.
It's your cookie, but I've owed this due for a long time. But by the time, see, all that firewood you packed at the back, hey! By the time we are done with selling them, we will have enough money to buy the drugs. Mama,
that means I have to break more firewood now, so we'll have more to sell.
Thank you.
One. Jenkoma.
Dalo.
Dikeh, Chimobi.
Nah.
Organize. This is too much now.
I'm not complaining now.
Ezioku. But I went to your house and I saw heaps and heaps of firewood. You have enough for a Eke market now, so why are you suffering yourself like this?
And who told you that what I have is enough?
I want to go and see that Chizoba. Then later on I'll come to your house. You go.
Okay, so what do
Yes. Oh, who's this?
Wait, woman, what is the problem?
Your mother.
What happened to my mother? What?
She had an attack at the meeting.
Chimo! Hell! And her drugs are finished. Chimo, where is she? Where?
She's at the village square. Chimobi!
It's okay. Chimobi should come now.
Mama! Mama! What is it? Mama! Please. Hey! Help me. No, mommy, I'll wait. Mama, please. Hey! How many times have I warned you never to allow your mother to run out of drugs? How many times? Doctor, I am very, very sorry. I must admit, this one is my fault. Please, I'm sorry. It will never happen again, doctor. Please. Please. You should be grateful to your God that you rushed her to the hospital at once. Maybe by now you will... Nothing is going to happen to my mother at all. Even God in heaven and all the angels know that nothing will happen to my mother. Then you have to play your part and let God play his own part. I've heard you, doctor. I'll play my own part. And thank you very much for saving her life. You can go and see her. She's okay now. Thank you, doctor.
Hey, how is she? How is she?
She's fine now.
Hey!
She's under control.
Thank God. Thank God. See, I have not been myself since I heard the news. Thank God, though.
I was just coming to your house to call you. Anyway, she's fine. She's sleeping now. The doctor said I should go get food for her that she can eat when she wakes up.
What would you want me to cook for her?
Maybe her favorite.
Come, let's go to the house and cook now. Come.
What, Ebere? You don't get the point.
What point?
I don't have any money left on me, and we don't even have any foodstuff in the house.
It's okay. I wasn't even telling you to go to your house. Come, let's go to mine and cook. Come, let's go.
Well, what of your father? I hope he's not around. So fast.
Don't you know that anything that affects you affects me?
No, Mamu. You've done so much for my mother and I don't even know how I can repay you.
Stop saying that. Everything I do for love. I don't think I can ever love anybody like I love you. And I always like to see you happy. Hey.
Jesus, your father.
Is that why you're shaking? Are you not a man? Are you not a man? See, stop shaking, no. Just stand straight and walk bold like the man that you are. Now, take this. Take it to the hospital. Later in the night, I'll come and see how you and Mama are doing. You know, go?
Okay.
Nkana, onwe fe yeme naga. Ano meba. Naga.
Good day, sir. Padura.
I don't know why this life is such a mystery. How do you know? That's a popular saying that the rich man said to the poor man's son, I wish I had a son like you. Why the poor man's son said to the rich man's son, I wish I had a father like yours. Who are you referring to in this context? Chimaobi, of course. Such a handsome, intelligent boy, but has no father. No identity, a bastard. Huh. But his position does not affect him in any way, or does it? Of course it does. Which father in his right senses will give out his daughter's hand to a boy like that? My dear, forget about Okoye's attitude. Not even my own father will behave like him. You are just guessing. I'm not guessing. I'm not. I'm very sure my own father will not behave like Norma's. Let's go. Bye.
Who is there? Could you about?
Chimaobi came around.
What are you doing here this late?
I came to check on you now. I heard what happened to your mother.
My mother is fine. Thank you for checking on me. Please go. Before Norma, I'll see you here.
Chimaobi, but I saw her going out now.
So what? What if she decides to come back and check on me? Then I want to come and go home, please. Go to your mother's house. Ada? Thanks for coming. My mother is very fine. She's fine. Thank you. Ada? Thanks.
I'm going.
Go. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
I'm going.
Bye-bye. Good night.
I'm going.
Ada, go now. Thank you very much. Thank you. What are your mother now? Actually, you got laughter.
Too much of everything is bad though. What are you talking about? The way Norma does things these days. She's always with Chimaobi. Morning, afternoon and night. Haba. Because it's not you. It's now too much, Abi. How do you mean? You think I don't know? I know everything. Every. What are you talking about? I know you admire Chimaobi a lot. And you wish you could even take him away from Norma. No, he's a lie. Think I did not see you. I saw you last night. I saw you. I only went to see how his mother was faring. That's all. There's nobody's a small girl here. I don't know what is wrong with you. I'm your friend. Open up. Tell me. I know everything.
Uncle, hi. The reason Chimaobi and I are here tonight is to... I don't know if you remember the last time we were here, what we were asking for. People who never knew that we were here this late. We've been here since so, but they told us that you went for the village meeting. We decided to wait, Maka, we really need what we are here to ask for. Now, Mama, I raise yours in the I'm not feeling well, I'm not strong anymore. It's due to the hard labor. The doctor has told me to slow down. But you also know that I don't have any other trade. All we're asking for here is just a small piece of land for Chimobi and I to farm on. Instead of paying Ndoka some money to farm on his own land, if you give us a piece of land, then we'll be able to farm and we eat from it. We don't have to go to the market all the time buying foodstuff. We can at least get yam from our land. Ose, obugodugo, or something because yam.
Well, Mpiro, what you are asking for is a very hard thing. When your father, our elder brother, was alive, he kept on insisting that he must not raise a bastard in his house. I never saw reasons with him then, but now I understand better. Now, my little advice to you is this. Take Shimobi, go and look for his father. Maybe he will still accept you back. I believe they will be having a piece of land for him there. As for here, nothing for him.
I heard him. I'm not deaf. In fact, it's high time we stop beating about the bush. Let's say the truth. Sister, I am surprised at you. You know we don't have enough land. Huh? Uncle Unga has already 3 sons. Dikeh, 4 sons. My father had me with my 2 younger ones. You know we don't have enough land. Let alone giving out land to strangers.
Stranger? Ekene, Ikwalum stranger. Ekene, it's me, Kiri, your sister. Ikwalum stranger.
Mama, don't cry, please. Don't cry. Let's go, okay? We'll survive the way we've been surviving. Let's go.
Ekene, you called your sister a stranger in my own father's land.
Hero, if I were you, I would go back to the man who got me pregnant.
Oh.
I believe they will be having a portion of land for him there. You know, in our culture, women do not inherit land.
Uncle, remember, there is God and He's watching all of us. There is God and He's watching you people.
You're hiding things from me. You're lying to me, Mama.
Nothing, I'm fine.
No, you are not. You're not fine.
I said I'm fine.
Why are you doing this to me? Chimobi, you're beginning to lie to me. Me, Norma. It's not fair. It's not fair. Well, tell me, what is it?
Okay. There's something bothering me. There's something wrong, but I want to keep it to myself. I don't want to discuss it with anybody.
Oh, Charu. Now I'm anybody. I'm anybody up here. This is what I've been saying. It's like in this relationship, I'm the one that has more love. Look at you hiding something from me. When we're supposed to be sharing our pain, our sorrow, just the way we share our love and our joy. If you name now or them, is it fair? It's not fair, is it?
No, it's the same thing I've been talking about. It's that same thing that has been bothering me. My mother's people have refused to give us any portion of land. None. And the thing is seriously disturbing my mother.
Hi. Honestly, I just don't get why some people are so inconsiderate. Why don't they want to help your mother? Their sister, their own blood. The
one that is paining me the most is that my mother has refused to tell me my paternity. Not to me, not to anybody. What kind of thing is that now? So is she now the Holy Mary, the mother of God that was conceived by the Holy Spirit?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm very sure that she will at her own time.
When is her own time? When?
I don't know. But I know she'll tell you. Listen. I don't want this to bother you at all. If nobody accepts you the way you are, I do. I don't care where you come from. I don't care who your father is. All I care is about you and the fact that I love you very much. That is all that matters. Okay? Church.
I've been thinking. I want you to go to the city. Yes. You know, deep down within me, I know that the God I worship would establish you in the city. That way, these your uncles won't treat you the way they are treating you. Once you become rich, I can bet you, they will all begin to respect you and life will be different.
Mama, if I go to the city, who will I leave you for?
Is it me you're thinking about, or is it Norma?
Mama.
Don't worry about me. I can take care of myself.
You know you're my priority, Mama. You are my main priority. Your health condition is not stable. And the people in this village, they hate you, Mama. They hate us. And the only way we can survive and make it is by sticking together, by taking care of each other. Okay, let's say I leave you and go to the village now. If something happens to you, God forbid, I won't forgive myself. I'll just close my eyes and I'll die.
Oh, what if I get mem? Nothing would happen to me. I am strong. I can take care of myself. Look, Mom, the dream I have for you, it's a bigger one. I don't want you to end up wasting here in the village. Biko, eh?
Anugom, if I'm going to the city, then I will take you with me.
You know I'm not young anymore, eh? And I am not too old not to take care of myself. I am strong and I can take care of myself. Onna, Inugo.
Okay, Mama. But this is not what we should be discussing right now.
So what should we be discussing?
I think that you're hiding from me and from everyone else.
And what is that?
Mama, who is my father? Mama, tell me, I need to know. Is he alive? Is he still alive? Where does he live? Where is he? Mama, please tell me now, I need to know. Stop keeping it away from me. Mama.
Thank you so much. How's your family?
Oh, wonderful. And yours?
Oh, thank God. And our object of interest?
Your object of interest.
Always
ask this question. We see that first now. That's no problem. Huh? She's here for you.
She's in there?
She's in there.
Wow. I can't wait to see her. I can't really wait to see her. You know, my father has told me so much about her.
Oh.
I can't really wait.
You see, but I'm sure you have seen her. I made a pictures.
Of course. I've seen her picture. She's quite beautiful in the picture. But you know, I'm no more in the States now. I'm right here in Nigeria now. And so, I want to see my wife.
Even though now, I got that. It will be hard to go. I see entitlement.
Yeah.
We'll get that for you.
That's right.
Let me call my wife. Oh, you do ya? Our in-laws.
Mama, you're welcome. You're welcome. No. Look welcome. You're welcome, eh? Hey, look welcome. Mama, in-law is beautiful.
Yeah, even though only my eyes see her beauty.
Exactly. You're welcome.
Oyiridia. Otto was going to come back. Go and call him Norma. Okay. Tell her to come and greet Nelson and his father. And his other brother.
Let me go and call her to come and greet you.
Yes, Mom.
Mama, you're welcome.
So how was your trip traveling?
My trip traveling?
Norma, you're here, and I was calling you. Your father wants you to come and greet Nelson and his people. Onye? Mama, I told you and I told Papa, oh, I'm not interested in that marriage, oh. I told you people, oh, shut up, shut your mouth or I shut it for you with a hot slap. I am not interested in that marriage. My friend, go out there and go and greet them, sister. I'm not going anywhere. Isigini, I won't go. You see, you're not going anywhere. All you can wait for the main, you see. You better go out there, take an effort. I'm not going anywhere, Mama. In fact, nothing will take me out of this place. I'm not going. No, Ma. Don't let your father hear this. Or you want me to go and call your father? You're not going, Ekwa. You're not going. Can you pause the night? Go wait for the main. No, Ma. No police. Is it by force?
I got you. You floating. It's not the whole thing.
My lord. Please, I will join you in a moment.
Papa, you know?
Just a little.
I hope there's no problem.
No. Problem is too far from here.
Are you sure about
that? No problem. Just a minute.
Is it not your daughter?
Yes. I said, what is it?
Is it not your daughter?
What about her?
She wants to come to greet Nelson and these people.
Where is she?
She's there.
Norma! But you said she's here.
She was here some minutes ago. Hey, God, what is all this? This guy will not kill me in this house. How do you hear the henka?
Now listen to me, woman. You and your daughter, you are joking. You better go and look for her wherever she is and bring her back to this house so I should come and greet my in-laws.
Like, can't you see she has run out of the house? Eh? No, ma. She has run out of the house now.
I have spoken. No.
No, ma. No, no. I'm not like Ogenedi. No, ma. No, ma. No, ma.
My great in-laws, I am sorry for taking much of your time. Your object of interest will soon be here. It's just that she went to collect certain things from our neighbors.
Collect what? I don't understand you. You just told us a while ago that she was in there. What the fuck is going on?
That was what I thought then. Until my wife came to inform me that look at the present situation.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me that she's not aware of our coming today?
No.
Is that what you're saying?
No. She's fully aware. Huh? But she, you know, but what?
What other fucking appointment is more important than today? Tell me.
My lord, please don't be annoying. Huh? You know the children of nowadays. Sometimes they can be silly. Huh?
This is bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Can't believe this.
Nelson, calm down. Let's be patient with him. The patient dog needs to start a story.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm looking now.
Damn! This is ridiculous. This is fucking uncalled for. How can I sit my fucking ass here for over an hour waiting for her? Man, I can't take this shit. I shouldn't.
My lord, please. Please, don't be annoyed. Don't misunderstand. It's not intentional. Huh? Try and understand.
What exactly do you want me to understand? What do you want me to understand? Tell me.
That this is the handwork of the devil.
Bullshit. Fucking bullshit.
Okoye. Isn't there? Tell me the truth. What is the problem? Isn't there? Is it not this Obanje? This mami water of a girl called my daughter Noma. I told her that her sister will be coming here today. Huh? But she
This is
Noma
bullshit.
Noma here one potty.
Daddy, let's go. I can't take this shit anymore.
You can understand me. Okoye, to whom much is given, much is expected. Truth. Huh? But please, we will go. But Mazi, how can I move? You go. Please, my lord. I beg of you. Please, come down.
No matter the circumstances, amen, mama, even kevo, abu kevo. Okwi mana fuluginanya, okwi mani bumani. Ezo kwa mami fechi abu, mano topo no sidi, muna kibofu. Idi washo.
Are you sure they're still there? Maybe they've gone.
I don't care. I don't care. If they like, let them stay. If they like, let them go. All I know is that they will stay there till thy kingdom come. Because I'm not planning to enter that house till nightfall. I'm not entering there.
You know, this issue will cause a lot of problems. It will raise a lot of dust.
Why are you talking like that?
You're talking as if you don't know. I'm sure your father has been collecting money and other gift items from this guy's father through him. And he must have given an impression that you're already theirs.
Oh, but wait, is that young man a fool? How can you be giving items to my father? And then you have not even bothered to buy a common phone for the girl in question so that at least you can be talking. How can you be spending money on a girl you have only seen in pictures? A girl you have not even heard her voice for once in your life. In fact, it doesn't make sense to me.
It is possible, Nne. It is very, very possible. Look, it's possible because he feels he's based in the US. They feel that our girls over here would do anything to marry a foreign-based husband.
Oh,
I'm sure he has not even lost any doubt about this issue.
Well, it is a pity because he just met a different girl, okay? I go where my heart leads. I follow my heartbeat. I go for love, not wealth. See, you are all that I need. I don't need anyone else. I know. don't even try it.
Where tempo? No me tempo di tata. Hey.
So they've gone.
You allowed your daughter to sneak out of this house, knowing fully well that Nelson and his father will be here today.
Nai, how can you talk like that? I didn't know she was going to sneak out of the house.
That shameless girl has actually brought this high level of embarrassment to me because of that bastard. Eh? A boy who has no identity at all. A boy who has no single kinsman. A boy whose mother got by sleeping around with men. Eh? Because of him, my own daughter, Norma,
now want to deprive me of being an in-law to Nelson, who is from a very wealthy and respected family. Oh, you dear, it will not happen in this household.
At all. At all, it will never happen.
I will personally kill her and kill that bastard. Anytime I see him in this family again, I will kill him. You better go and warn the mother. Because any other time I see that he-goat, anywhere around my compound, I will personally kill him. I will shoot him and wait for the consequences. Huh?
Hey.
Nonsense.
No, ma. No, ma. Hey.
I will shoot him and face the consequences. Nonsense.
Nani.
Oiridia.
You're sleeping already. Come to bed now.
Oiridia, I know what you want. You want me to come in there and sleep over this thing so that by tomorrow morning my full anger will have subsided. Huh? But I will not do that. I will wait till she comes home.
Do you know what the time is? Are you going to...
Hold it. I want to be left alone. Just make sure that all the backyard doors are locked. Do not allow this girl to sneak into this house without my noticing it.
I have locked all the doors in this house. This is the only one open.
Good. You have done your part very well. You may not go to bed. Or, if you are feeling sleepy. Huh? For me, I will wait here until she comes home because I know she will not sleep outside tonight.
What if she decides to?
Woman, go to bed.
Kachifu.
Deal with her so decisively. I should not have for assurance.
Tabago.
Thank you, Mom. Forgive me.
I'm Nuche Edia. Now, you have to listen to what I'm telling you. There is nothing in this village. I'm not referred there I need you to go to the city where there are lots of opportunities. Hopefully, one good opportunity will come your way. Then you come back. All these your uncles and relations will look up to you. You'll not become a part of them. That is what I want for you.
Mama, it's not as if there's anything too special in this village that is keeping me here. It's just you. Yes, Mama, if I leave you here, who will take care of you?
Ibiakwa, no. Look at me here. I single-handedly brought you up in this hut. I am still strong. I will take care of myself.
Man, it's not the same thing. You're no longer that young now. You know that. Yeah? Hey man, and your health condition is not stable. It will be too risky for me to leave you all by yourself.
Sounds like mama. No man, Kate.
My mama. Hey!
Shimo.
Who did this to you now?
What happened to you? Who beat you up like this?
My father.
Your father beat you up like this? Where was your mother when he was beating you?
Now you mean your father did this to you? Hey, get now.
I was still in bed. And then he sneaked into the room, locked the door and started flogging me with koboko.
Wasn't your mother there when he did this to you?
It's okay, my love. It's okay.
I don't want to go back to
that. It's okay, my love. No, you will not go back.
What did you do to deserve this pity?
Mama, come inside. Come. Sorry.
Hey!
Norma! What is it, Norma? Yes, bring her up.
Okoye, you should be ashamed of yourself. Why would you be that girl like that? Do you want to kill her?
Bring her, my daughter! You're asking me. You know the best thing for you? The best thing for you now is to do what? Stay out of this matter. Your useless son.
My own son?
A common bastard of no reputation. Wants to ruin my only daughter. And you want me to just keep quiet and fold my arms and watch it happen? Impossible.
Oh, this is what it is all about, Okwia. Oh, no, Okwia.
Oh, you are doing as if you don't know before. Huh? Pretender. Shameless fool. Get into that accursed heart of yours and bring up my daughter. Quick!
You're not ashamed of yourself. Oh no, why bully. You talk like a woman. Like a common woman in the market.
Truth! Yes, Ikurezoku. But is it not better than a woman who spreads her legs to virtually every dick and hurry and raises the generation of bastards? Oh, you want my daughter to marry a compound bastard who has no father, no identity, no kinsman, nothing, nowhere, not when I'm alive. Go in and bring her out, idiot. Bring her out, idiot. You will think I have your time. Don't do that and wait for my wrath. Come on. You know what you are? Shameless prostitute. Akuna.
Yes, but you're always looking at me. Oh, I see the way you look at me. Okay. When I pass, the way you look at my backside, I see it. If I let them, if I need now,
Mama, it's okay. It's okay, Mama. Mama, to go.
Look at him.
Mama, what the doctor said. Mama, let's go.
It's
okay. It's okay. Let's go inside. Mama. Look at where you ran to. Can that place serve a foul? Can that place serve a foul? What to talk of a goat? Animal, come away from me there.
You see what I told you? You see what I told you, but you will not listen.
Mama, it's okay now. It's okay.
Chimobi, it is not okay. It is just not okay. It can only be okay when you go to the city and make money. It will only be okay when you build your own house. It will only be okay when you get us out of this shame of heart. That is when it will be okay.
Okay. It's okay, Mama. I've heard you. Stop shouting, okay? I'll go to the city. I will. I'll leave this village. And I promise you, I will make so much money. I will make so much money to wipe away your tears, Mama. I promise you. Please. Eh? Calm down. Stop shouting. It's okay. It's okay. Now, I've made up my mind to go to the city.
So you want to leave me? You want to abandon me here after everything I sacrificed for you?
I'm not leaving forever. I'm just changing location temporarily to help us, to make money for us.
Money? Am I complaining? Eh? I don't need your money. You are all that I need. I'm tired of saying this to you. I'm tired.
I know. But you don't get it, do you? You don't. I need to go so that I can upgrade my life. I need to upgrade your life. I need to make money. I need to go out there and make money. So that when I come back here, your father and the rest of the villagers will place a value on my life. Place a value on me. They will respect me. I need to go to the city so that when I come back with a jeep, a big jeep, your father will give his consent to our union. Eh? Ne.
So, how am I sure that if you leave this village, you will not find another woman? And how are you sure that if you leave me here for a very long time, that our love will still be strong? How can you be sure?
Our love will always be strong. Always. You've done so much for me and for my mother. You've sacrificed so much for my family. And the only thing that can take me away from you is death. Time and distance. They cannot even cover up the stamp that you've left in my heart. It's not possible. Where do I start from? Is it the financial sacrifice? Is it your energy, your time that you've put in? Or is it the men, the numerous rich men that you've turned down their proposals just because of me? I'm not that heartless, my baby. Mbam.
It's easy for you to say now. But change, they say, is the only constant thing. Who knows? You never can tell.
So you don't trust me?
It's not as if I don't trust you. It's just that I'm not comfortable with you leaving this village, that's all.
I'll be willing to do anything you want, just to prove to you that I'll never leave you no matter the situation.
Anything?
Anything.
Oaths? Blood covenant? Anything?
Anything.
What is it? Of all the girls in this village, Chimobi chose one. It is called love. L-O-V-E. Love. Hey, I sense jealousy here. What's your own?
Jealous of who?
Norma. Why would I be jealous of Norma? Over that bastard. Hey, then mind your own business. Let them be. I'm not after what they do. All I'm saying is that Chimobi is too handsome for Norma. Oh, Norma herself is also beautiful. So let them be. Is she more beautiful than I am? In Chimobi's eyes, yes, she is. So put your eyes off their relationship. Oh? Wait, Joe. You'll be talking normal. Please, normal self. Wait for me now.
Thank you. I wouldn't want anybody to disgrace me in that house. So I don't want.
Nobody is going to disgrace you. Go to the city and stay with Madoka. He is a good person. And I know he will take very good care of you.
The same Madoka is the one that told us that his Oga has not given his consent for me to come.
Now, stop making excuses. Ini Edo, go to the city and do something with your life. Reasons why you can't go.
Nothing will happen to me. Then when the Oga throws me out of the house, I will not start loitering the streets, okay?
What is wrong with that? Are you not a man? Anywhere you find yourself, you should try and survive. Look, I was 23 years old when I had you, and my father threw me out. But I survived with you. So, if you go to the city and they throw you out, anywhere you find yourself, survive. Survivor. There's no more excuses, son, or walk.
Welcome, Dada. How's you?
Let me pray for you.
Okay.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
You will go in peace and come back in peace.
Amen.
The Lord will guide you.
Amen.
You shall conquer. You will find favor in the sight of men. They will help you to grow. And you will grow so big that by the time you come back to this village, you will be the richest and the greatest.
Amen.
The Lord will be with you. Okay, do gige nudo nata nudo. Onna maka na ibu ezigbo nwa. Enugo. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Nakuni.
Mama, thank you. Thank you.
Jebe.
You'll be okay.
I'll be fine. I am a strong woman.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Jebe, boss, I'm a rapo. Bye. Oh, God, delay him.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, God, delay him, Mama.
Yes, I told him I was going to shoot him.
Nai, what is
that? I told him I was going to shoot him.
Hey! Nai! Up him! What is it? What is it? Yes! Abi! What did you shoot? Abi! Okay, what did you kill that?
Mama! Oh! Mama! Hey! I want to come. I want to come. Maziokoye, he shot at me. He tried to kill me. Hey, whoa!
So that gunshot I heard was meant for you.
Hey! Mama, I would have been a dead man by now.
I
would have... Hey! Hey!
Did he hurt you? Yeah, Norma, your father wants to kill my son from your queer. What again? What kita?
Mama, come back here!
Leave her.
Mama, come here!
That man needs to be cautioned.
What are you talking about? You know my mother has hypertension. She'll go there now and start shouting.
Nothing will happen to her.
Mbano. Oh, Norma.
My father will not do anything to her. Happen, man.
No, man.
Go inside.
Are you sure she'll be okay?
She'll be fine. Go inside.
Okoye! Yes, what is it? Who is there? Oh!
Ifule, thank your God. Thank your God that nothing happened to my son.
Oh! Are you talking about the thief I caught in my compound today?
One thief.
He should be the one to thank his God because he was fast enough to escape. I should have calmed him down. Yes.
If you shoot my son, you will give birth to a son today. And you will make sure that child gets to the level where my son is today.
Let me tell you, if I kill him, nothing will happen. Who will ask of him? Is it you? If you come, I will kill you and add it up to him. Listen to me, he's a bastard though. He's a bastard. Don't you get it? Warn him. Both of you should be careful.
Let me tell you, he's a bastard, yes. But at least I'm his mother. And I know where he's coming from. Manadewa, with that telelinti, they call door. Ibuna gali that cannot function. Malfunction telelinti, I know you. Ineko, if keep away from my family, oh. This is the last time I will warn you. You think we don't know? Telelinti man.
Warn him, never to set his feet in this compound again. Because the next time I see him in this compound, I will surely shoot him dead and nothing will happen. Nobody will ask of him. He's a bastard. He has no kiss man. Nothing. Look at that. You are ranting. Hey!
Amuche. What is it? You can't believe what I saw. What did you see? Finally, Chimobi is leaving the village for the city. I saw him at the village garage. He told me he's going to Abuja now to stay. Hey, yeah. That will be nice. Let him go to the city to better his life. You don't even get the point. What point? Norma, how is she? Is she the only one here? You are her rival now. Both of you are going to miss him. I don't know why you like to talk like this sometimes. Why don't you admit for once that you love him? You think I don't know? I know every. Give me that one.
Can we help you?
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for my brother who stays at this address.
Your brother?
Yes, his name is Madoka.
Oh, I see.
When did you arrive? Just now. Did she see you? Yes, now. She saw me. What did she say? She just said, okay. That's all. Come in. Hi! Chimobi.
Hey, so you're welcome, this is where your brother lays his head.
This is good. It's very beautiful.
You can keep your bag over there.
Here?
Yes. So at least we can now go and see my madam and introduce you to her. Tell her that you've come.
Your madam? Who is your madam?
You just saw her outside now. The lady you saw outside.
The girl I met outside. Okay, her father is your boss, your oga.
Father? She is my oga. She owns this house.
Chineke kwakwana ihe ọjọọ.
Lele.
Obere nwa.
Go na go obere nwa. Ogo madam. Pick madam. Let's go and see her. Not just here, other properties. Big madam. Let's go.
Hey, I told you. So now I'm going
Yes. Yes, I just got home. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's fine. I'll tell you what, I'll call you back in 30 minutes, okay? Yes. Okay. Alright, bye.
Madam, this is my brother, the one I told you that will come from the village. His name is Chimobi.
Good day, ma.
But we greeted before.
Okay, that's... yes, ma.
How are you?
I'm very fine, ma.
Anyway, I'm a very simple lady. What I hate is crowd. I do not want to see anybody except the two of you in this compound. Did I find anybody else? You both will certainly leave my house.
Madam, you know me now. I don't do that kind of nonsense. And Chimobi, he's just coming straight from the village. He doesn't know anybody in this city except me.
Yes, ma. It's true. I don't know anybody in the city. Only my brother Maduka here.
That's okay. You can go back to your room.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma. Madu. Money how can I change?
What?
How can a lady have this kind of money? I mean, how? Madu, like as I was saying, I don't even know what job I'll start with now because I don't want to idle away my time here.
You will not be idle. There are many polythene factories and bakeries in this area. Once you go there, they will employ you. How can you go?
Governor, I don't mind any of them as long as money starts flowing into my pocket as soon as possible.
Don't worry. Okay, Mego. Money will come. Once Madam leaves, I will personally take you to one of those places and they will give you a job.
Okay. So, has Mama called since that time?
Yeah. There, Chimobi. You are no longer your mother's pet. Look, you are now a big boy. A hustler in the jungle. Look, so stop all this, my mother that. Because
now tell me what is wrong with me speaking to my mother and letting her know that her son arrived safely. And also to find out how she's doing.
Your mother is doing well. She's okay. Huh? Because, Chimobi, see, I want you to help me wash the cars. Let me go and cut the flowers. So, finish up quickly. We'll do that now.
Hey.
Norma, so you're still like this?
Mama, welcome.
Hey, Jesus. Norma, get up. I have to take you to the hospital.
Mama, there won't be need for that. I'll be fine.
What do you mean there won't be need for that? Your body temperature is rising so high. You're telling me you'll be fine because you ever been here?
Mama, believe me, I'll be fine. I just took drugs. I'll be okay.
Hey, are you sure?
Yes, Mama. Yeah, baby.
Hey, hurry the Poco. Eh? Mama, get up. Go inside and sleep. This place is too open. Be near. What is hot? You can't lose again. Hey, I really can't let you go like this.
No, you did.
No.
Oh, no. How are you? What is this girl?
Norma.
Who else?
She's inside. She's running temperature.
Since when?
For the past 2 days. Since Chimobi left this village, my daughter has been running temperature. I don't know what that boy has done to my daughter. I've not seen this kind of love. Well,
that is by the way. My in-laws will be coming to this house in the next 2 days. Just go in there and talk to your daughter. Let it not be like the other day. Nelson and his father Ezenia visited. They left here with anger, and since then they have refused to pick my calls. Go and talk to her.
But Nai, can't you see that all the marriage proposal you've been arranging for her have been failing? Can't you see it? Let's allow her bring in the man that wants to marry her by herself.
So I should then allow her to bring in that useless, hopeless bastard of no reputation into my house.
I'm not talking about Chimobi. I'm not talking about Chimobi. Let's allow her daughter bring in her suitor. All the marriage plans you've been making for her failed. Can't you learn from your mistakes?
Yes, the past efforts failed. They all failed because that boy was a major distraction. But now that the boy is not in picture now, this one will work. Or don't you think so? Huh? Go in there and talk to her. You're saying you know Naya. Huh? Do you think it will not work?
I didn't say that. More quite think. No. There is this other young man that wants to marry you. They said he based in Abuja. Your father's friend, Okaro, brought him to your father.
Here.
He saw your picture. Also not joining you. He's coming in the next 2 days to ask for your hand in marriage. But I heard he had a lot of money.
Charo, Mama. Why does Papa want to sell me off like a commodity? Why? He keeps showing my pictures to everybody he sees. Or the man. Why? Is he the one to find a husband for me? Or am I the one to show him whom I want to marry?
I told him.
He hasn't been up to 2 weeks that Nelson and his people left this place. And he already has another person for me. Okay, see me. Here. Oh, Mama. Oh, Jukwa Papa. Oh, Jia.
Your father loves you so much. You know you're very beautiful. He wants the best for you. He just wants you to be comfortable in your husband's house.
Papa does not love me. Leave that thing. Papa does not have my interest at heart. He's not looking out for my interest. He's only trying to fill his pocket with me. Because if he cares about my well-being and about my interest, he will allow me to marry the man I love.
Chimobi. Love Chimobi. Love
Mama.
Don't mama me. Your husband people are coming here in the next 2 days. Better get ready for them. Nelly, I would like to spend this summer in London.
If that's what you want, there's no problem. We can start making plans for it.
My problem is I don't know your plans and engagements this period.
I don't think I have any serious program for now. Oh, Senator Okegbu's birthday party. But that's okay. We can take up nearly after the party.
So, when exactly is the party?
I think in what?
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma. I'm sorry for interrupting you, ma.
What is it?
I came back and Maduka said you were looking for me, so I came to find out.
Oh, that. Yes, I wanted you to buy me something from the supermarket, but you were not there.
Oh, okay. I'm here now, ma. Let me go and buy it.
That's okay. I've started it.
Okay. I'll be in the room if you need me.
Yes, so in 2 days or maybe... Who is that guy? Do you like him?
Oh, please. I mean, who is that guy and what planet is he from?
Well, the guy is kind of cute, but...
But what?
Broke. He's more or less my houseboy.
Are you serious? Like, are you serious? Are you blind? Can't you see that that guy is naturally endowed? Oh my God. Anybody can make money, Nelly. Any idiot can make money. Any ugly monster can make money. Ha!
And you know me now, my pride.
Pride. See, we've all got our pride. Let's just pocket it, okay? Look at that guy. I mean, imagine that guy driving out from a posh house, driving a posh car, in a posh suit. Nelly. I think you're something.
Oh my God. Anne, you're a genius.
You are so blind that you don't see things. Oh God. Give it here.
Norma, so this is why you didn't want to go to the hospital? Hmm? Oh, Mama, you think I will not know? What are you talking about? Hey, this is why he ran away from the village to the city. Akuya? Mama, what is it? Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Stop pretending.
I don't know anything, no, Mama.
Ay! Chinekeme. What? Chinekeme. No, my dear. You're pregnant. Mama. No, my dear. Better stop it, oh. Just stop it.
Shut up! Shut up! Nama, shut up! No, my dear.
Mama, all I know is that I'm not pregnant, oh. I'm not pregnant. You're pregnant! And your father must hear this. Your father must hear this. You know your father will kill you. Nani! Nani! Who was going to be gone? Here. Nani! Nani!
Yes, Ogino.
Nani!
Ogino.
Norma is pregnant.
Is that again?
Norma is pregnant for that bastard.
Hey! Hey! Hey, Buyabu mother! Hey, Buyabu mother! Hey! Oh! Was that why he ran away, thinking he has escaped my wrath?
That was why he ran away from the village.
Norma Dime! Hey! Is that? By the way, where is my daughter Norma?
She's there.
Call her for me! Oh! Hey, Buyabu mother! This bastard! Huh? He ran away thinking he has escaped my wrath. This bastard! Ah, Kurema, my friend! Get it, why you get it? Norma!
Papa!
Norma!
Papa!
Oh, yeah, Papa! Oh, yeah, who is your father? Now, answer me. When did this happen?
When did what happen?
It's alright. How many months pregnant are you now?
Chinekeme. Mama? Oh, so after everything I told you, you still went ahead to tell Papa that I'm pregnant? Come on, answer the question and tell him the truth. Stop lying.
No, ma, ask again. How many months pregnant are you now?
Papa, I am no longer a child. So I should know when I'm pregnant and when I'm not. Papa, draw me. I'm not pregnant.
Huh?
I'm not pregnant.
Idirime, are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Papa. I'm not pregnant. She is lying to you. Norma is lying to you.
Pay for.
Mama, Nanya, ne can lie. Ne can lie. Ne nu kuye. Ne nanya nwa. Nwa elitugo. Norma di ime. Papa, since mama, oro to akara mu ike ma. Eh? Papa, please, oh, I am not pregnant. Biko, I'm not pregnant. Anywhere you want to go, me, I'm ready to go.
So, you are sure?
I'm sure.
Then leave her to me. Huh?
No, me, ready to go.
Leave her, I don't know what to do.
How did you go?
Leave her to me. I know what to do.
Leave her.
Hey!
Nothing in order to go.
This bastard! Don't say to me, I'll kill you and kill that bastard.
How far? She's not pregnant.
Huh?
She only has malaria and typhoid.
Hey, doctor, I hope you're not deceiving me.
And why will I do that?
Hey, okay, thank you. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Come on, stand up, let's go.
Let's go!
it. Mama, it has gotten to it. It has. Now, Ndu. Ekene, get out of my house. Or else I will get you arrested and jailed. Before the count of we are leaving. 5. 1, we are leaving. You're still sitting down. 2, 3.
Do you know why we're going? We're leaving your house.
Now get out.
Don't forget your bag. Your bag.
Let me tell you.
Get out.